Boys and girls, this is Lesson 35 Exit Ticket. Today you're going to be solving the number sentences below. You're going to make a number bond, and then you have a choice. You can draw a picture to show how you solve the problem, or you could write a statement about the strategy that helped you. So if you look over here at the example, this person said that to solve 6 take away 3 equals 3, they drew a picture where they had a 5 group and one more making 6. They circled 3 to show the takeaway, and then you can see here's the 3 that they had left over. This person said the strategy of doubles helped them, the doubles being 3 and 3 more. So what you're going to be doing in these empty spaces is you are going to be drawing a picture or writing a sentence about the strategy that helped you, also making a number bond, and then filling in the answers right here. Have fun.